Hello, this is meteorologist Todd Shea with the National Weather Service with an update on the severe weather potential for this afternoon and evening, June 14th. Our main hazards that are expected is mainly heavy rain, but some strong to severe storms could produce strong winds as well as we go into this evening. Currently there is a flash flood watch that is in effect for parts of southern Minnesota, northern Iowa, and into far western Wisconsin. Those will be our main impacts, with the most likelihood of stronger storms and the possibility of flash flooding starting around mid-afternoon and going into tonight. When we look at the severe thunderstorm outlook for today, again, our main threat seems to be heavy rain and possible flooding, but there could be some stronger storms, especially to the west of the area. The tornado probabilities are pretty low, kind of focused off to our west, as are the higher wind threats, again mainly to the west of the area, and the probabilities of large hail. As far as the risks that we are expecting in the area, heavy rain and possible flash flooding is the biggest risk, but a few storms, again, could produce some strong to damaging winds. The risk of hail and tornadoes seems lower. Projected rainfall across the region is generally in a 1 to 2 inch rain fall totals, but given the wet conditions over the past week or so, that is the reason we have the flash flood watch out. In fact, the risk of excessive rainfall has been issued for much of the central northern states. As far as what the radar might look like later today, again, these are highly variable, but the whole idea of a few storms around as we go into the afternoon, kind of blossoming and expanding in coverage through the mid-afternoon and into the early evening as they move across the region. Most of the activity will move out later tonight, but again, flash flood watch in effect for parts of the area until about 1 a.m. So again, our bottom line for this briefing, heavy rain is expected with most of these storms, so be alert for flooding. There is a flash flood watch in effect. Some storms could also produce strong winds and lightning, so if storms move in your area, we ask that you move indoors. With regards to flood safety, remember to turn around, don't drown. Never drive through or cross flooded areas, and assume floodwaters are always going to be strong enough to sweep you away.